Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy for those of you who are new. In this video, I'm going to be styling this lace closure wig sent to me by Beauty Forever. And yes, it's a closure, guys. I love using closures because they are really quick to style and you have a less lace to work with and it's less intimidating. So they sent me a 24-inch body wave unit. This unit is super voluminous and soft. It gave me some nice beautiful curls. In order to customize the lace, I did go ahead and bleach the knots using my 20 volume developer and some bleach powder. So I bleached the knots and left it on for about 30 minutes. And I also did some tweezing and plucking to the unit. Guys, I definitely over bleached the knots. The bleach ran onto the hair and I kind of ruined the unit, but I tried to correct it by using my Stush lace tint. However, it does have a really orange tone to it, but I believe the hair came out really nice regardless. Alright, so as you guys can see, I put on some makeup. I did a nice little makeup bead using my Sani Beauty Soft Touch palette. There you go. So I did bleach the knot as you guys saw, and I also did some tweezing. I did over bleach the knot, however I went in with my Stush lace tint in the color Truffle to kind of camouflage all of that. So the hair is pretty much air dried. The body waves are no longer there, but the hair is still soft and it's very full. I think this is a very thick density, like one of the thicker ones. So I'm getting a lot of volume from this unit. I'm just pressing my hair back a little so that I have more access to the lace using my hot comb. Today I'm going to be using the Got2b Free Spray to adhere my closure wig. So I'm just going to spray along the front here. I'm gonna take off my elastic band now so I can, you know, deal with the front. Ooh. All right, so it looks like this at the front here. Effortless wave look. So I should take a wide tooth comb and do this, but I don't have one in my reach. So I'm just gonna take my fingers and just claw through it. And this looks so pretty already, guys. This is so pretty. I think it really helped that I added the layers. All right, so this is the finished look. If you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, you guys, I'm going to leave the video, the link to the video in the description box, or even a little tab, or even a link right here. Thank you so much Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. Again, this is their 24-inch closure, yes, closure wave. It came out so beautifully. This was a body wave. I didn't wash out the waves when I did my bleaching process. I tried to keep it so it can maintain that body once I attempt to curl it again like this. I used my 1 1/4 inch curling iron. It came out so gorgeous. I really love it. The hair is soft, has so much body. Like, this is definitely a keeper, guys. I'm gonna leave all the details to this unit in the description box below. As usual, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.